Guys, as promised, I told you I was going to do a short video on somebody I need to hire. Now here's the requirements. Number one, you got to be able to lift 100 pounds. Now the reason why I say 100 pounds is because each bag of concrete weighs 80 pounds. And once you mix it in the bucket with water, you're adding quite a bit of weight to it. So you're adding about 2 gallons of water, which is 8.34 pounds per gallon. So you're adding basically another 17 pounds to an 80-pound bag, which puts you at basically 97, 100 pounds. And you got to be able to deadlift that off the ground. Walk up a flight of stairs and then pour it into a stair tread. Now, that's the most basic physical requirement. The length of the job is going to start next week and probably take 7 working days, give or take. Now, the other part of this job offer is that we also have to go get the concrete. So we have to load, unload, stage it, then go back, bring in our water because there's no water source there unless I hook up a 300 to 400 foot hose, which there's a possibility I might just do that so I don't have to go running back and forth filling up 5-gallon containers of water. Excuse me. Now, here's some other basic requirements. You must be able to have your own car, okay? Be able to get back and forth to the job site, which of course I will not disclose in this video, only because I'll give you that information once I talk to a potential person that may want to work with me for this 7-day period. Now, if this turns out to be a successful situation for both of us, I have a lot more other work-related jobs at the same facility. Now, it's going to depend on a lot of things as far as how much I'm going to pay. Now, the one thing I can tell you is that the minimum is going to be $15 an hour and up based on whatever experience I think you have and what you can show me. Now, that doesn't mean anything until you actually get out there, show up, do a full day's job. Remember, lifting 100 pounds, walking up a flight of steps, and then doing it over and over and over again. I'm going to be doing a lot of the trial work, and from the video I just uploaded where I was at Raleigh's welding, or Welding by Raleigh, he has a concrete mixer there, an electric one, that will be able to mix 160 pounds of concrete per revolution in the in the tub. So that can help us out. Problem is the location of this concrete pour is in a staircase, in a stairwell. So there's a lot of technical issues that'll go along with this job that may not be straightforward. When we get there, I've already done one entire complete set of stairs already and a landing pad, which when total took about 80 bags of 80 weight. Now, the next series of work that needs to be done is probably going to take anywhere from 275 to 340 bags of 80 weight. It's a really, really big pour. No, cannot get a concrete mixing truck into this area. There's no way possible. There's no way to do it any faster. This is going to be a manual situation. It's going to be dirty. But the one thing is the weather is going to be cool, so we won't be sweating our butt off. Yes, it'll be dirty. You will need to wear an N96 mask instead of an N95 mask because it has to have the respirators on the side, because we're going to be in an enclosed space dealing with concrete dust. So if none of these things bother you and you live in the Raleigh area, please give me a call. As you can see, my phone number is right there. This is only for serious people. Don't BS me or try to tell me that you got all this experience and you got all this knowledge, and then you get out there and you act like a complete idiot. I'll know within the first 5 minutes. So, and I'm not trying to chastise anybody. I'm just trying to find the perfect match, the perfect person that if you want to work with me for 7 days with the possibility of future work, believe me, I've got it. It's just a matter of finding the right combination of the right person. So again, this is not open for females, and I want to say this very, very delicately, because I don't want to offend anybody, not into this day and age of all this sensitivity, unless you're a bodybuilder, a female that is a bodybuilder, and you can deadlift 100 pounds of liquid concrete off the ground in a bucket, in a tub, then call me. But if you're not a female bodybuilder and you cannot do it, please don't call me. Simple as that. I want to be fair here, because this is a physically demanding job, and it's going to be very, very dirty. And the bottom line is, you get where I'm going with that. So once I upload this video, here's how we're going to approach this thing. All you need to do is put a comment down in the comment section of who you are. You don't have to give me any real information. Just tell me that you're interested, that you live near and or close to the Raleigh area, and that you can work independently for one solid week. And that does include weekends. It will be daytime hours only, because we have to be there while the whole place is open. But the area I'm working is totally secure. So give me a shout out. Let me know if anybody's interested. Now, this is, like I said, a very manual job, manual labor, very dirty, very nasty, not very dangerous, but the bottom line is you're pouring concrete. Okay, so give me a shout out, leave those comments in the comment section below, and I'll be talking with you soon, and hopefully I can find the right person for the job. Y'all have a blessed day. Tom out of here. Call that number.